speaking is no longer a nice to do. It had that dreamlike feel to it, didn't it? Oh, one day I'd like to be a speaker. I'd like to be a speaker because I like speaking in front of thousands of people. Now it's a must do. If you're a brand, a product, a service, and we're all personal brands as well. Do we all accept that we're all personal brands? Now people are craving connection. They're craving being a part of something. They want to be treated differently. Would you agree that as a consumer, as a customer, as someone that's consuming information, you just want something different? And what happens is, as a speaker, you're able to do that instantly in ways that other things can't do, right? So, oh, you're blocking your thighs. People's thighs are in my way. Can you move your thigh, please? Oh, yeah, there we go. We could move that a little bit. Or we could move this out of the way a little bit. Or guys, you just need to stop having really bulky thighs. I think that's the solution here, right? So I just want to remind everybody it's a nice to do. So here are the things. I am going to integrate some giraffe.